So high level just released their on MCP server. And in this tutorial, I will tell you how you can just test it on the OpenAI Playground. So what exactly OpenAI Playground is, where you can go and test any of the MCP servers. So what you need to do is you need to go to platform.openai.com Playground, and here you need to add your credentials of OpenAI. So what I will be doing is, let me open it up, and here you can just test all the MCP servers. So here we have, now we need to create a MCP2. So as per their ClickUp parameter, we need to see that we need an URL, then we need a bearer token and sub account ID. So how you will fetch this? So first we need to do is we need to go to your CRM, go high level, and then you need to go to settings, and then you need to go to private integrations tab over here. Create new integration, name it as GHL MCP Server. Next, now you need to provide the scopes and permissions. So that is a pretty important stuff. Here, do not add something to delete, because when you are testing, it might get delete something. So here, what they have recommended is these are like scopes you can edit initially. So let's go over here and add those scopes. So view contact, view conversations, view conversations, edit contacts, whatever things you want that the agent can do, it you can edit over here. And now I can copy it from here. View calendars and other stuff. So these are like basic stuff, but you can add whatever you want. Like in my opinion, you need to add full calendar events and other stuff also, edit calendar so that you can have more stuff to do with this. So I'm just creating like this only, and I will go and create. Now it will give you one your token key, and that's you to save and do not share it with anyone. But let me show you over here. This is the token key, and the second stuff you will be needing is your location ID. How you will get the location ID is you need to go to your URL, and after that location, this is the location ID, and you need to copy this location ID, and you need to copy this private integration. So what I'm doing is, let me copy it, and then let me put it in the notes, and I will be rotating it after this. So right now it is for this testing purpose, how you can use it. Now we need to go to prompts, and here we need to create MCP server. Click add, and now you need to copy the content from here. What will be the URL? This is the URL. And I'm pasting it in the notes itself. Name it as MCP server. Here in the it says token, use custom headers because we need two headers over here. One is authorization, and the value of authorization will be you need to start with bearer space and then the key which we have copied starts with PIT. Second is location ID. Location ID you need to copy directly here and connect. And let's see if it is get established. Okay, so it has connected, never require any proof for any tools. And these are the stuff which it can do, but it can only do that stuff, that which we have configured in the tokens private integrations. So here, over here, we have that contact, get all tasks. You can also untick from here, but ideally, it will be using the parameters which you have already done. So I can you push out the email ID of Nippon from contacts. And let's see if it is able to pull it out. So email ID of Nippon is nippon@botsway.com. If I go over here and if I search Nippon, it shows my email ID perfectly fine. And can you add last name Sial to this contact? So from this playground, you can test anything and see like if it is working live or not and how exactly. So the last name has been successfully added, Nippon Sial. Let's try and refresh it. And now we have very different use cases for this, like from init and from make and just from the voice notes we can do. Like if you are doing it on a Siri, you're doing it on Telegram, you can just go and like update any of the stuff. If you want to push the SMS, if you want to do the stuff, and let's make you see it quickly. So if you see it over here, we have that Nippon Sial last name edit over here. And if you see the email ID is also same. You can push SMS, anything you can do. And that's how you can test it on the prompts playground. And if you want more tutorials on it, do subscribe to my channel. And I'm really pushing out how you can do it with the Siri or you can do it with the Telegram. Thank you.